All right, so now if I add to cart, all right, this one is available. So I will click checkout. No hosting, click to add. So let me click to add hosting. Aspire, 2 gig, Linux, shared, hosting, 600 monthly. Premium, 800 monthly. Pro, 12 gig, Linux shared, hosting, 1,100 monthly. This package is ideal for basic website with very low traffic. The features include 2 gig web space, 10 gig bandwidth, 4 subdomains, 1 add-on domain, free .ng domain, free SSL certificate, unlimited emails, unlimited database. So we can buy this second one, this 800 naira. All right, let me add to cart. Please record from beginning. The print, please start the video from beginning. Okay, it's actually start from beginning. You just go to google.com and you log in. All right, once you log in, let me go back. Now this is the page, right? This is the main page. You can click on domain. Domain. All right. Click domain. So you click my domains, manage DNS. Sorry about that. So you go to your domain, then you click. These are the available domains I have. These ones are active. laprizzoworld.com, superlive, sct30, product.com. So I want to add another one. So I will search. All right. We said Royal Q. I hope Shama you're watching. Shama, are you watching? Shama, you get what I'm doing? If you get what I'm doing, say yes. So you search. You're seeing congratulations, it's available. Royal Q 230. RealQ230.com is available. Add to cart. I'll add to cart. If you click checkout, but on my way home, okay, maybe I'll drop the video. I'll drop the video. You click checkout. So they're telling you to no hosting. Click to add. Let's host. So the second one is okay. This 800 monthly is okay. So say use a domain already in my shopping cart. Okay, use. So everything is 8,000 naira. Annual 7,000. So that's annually 7,000. It's not bad. Plus the domain, everything 8,000 naira. Okay. Okay. Domain name is not here. Okay. Let's see total everything. But you can do 6 modes. Oh, come up now. ID potential. Domain, please review your domain name selection and any add-ons that are available for them. There's something wrong. Let me go to cart. Everything I have is 13,700. So there's someone that this is annually, right? There's someone that wants to help us design something like this. I have a friend. He will help us design a sales page like this. All right. We'll look for other fine sales page. So we'll buy a domain name with this amount, but we can do 6 modes. 6 modes can be 12,000 or so. We can do 6 modes. So we'll have a domain name like this and hosting. And then we have a sales page like this. To do a sales page like this is 10,000 naira. So when people click you will not be doing ad on Facebook. Pay 1,000 to Facebook. We'll be doing ad. So when people come, we direct them to our general meetings. Then we chat them, we engage them, we talk to them, we mentor them, we give them books to read, just the way I'm giving you books to read. We give them books to read, we give them motivational things to be listening to. We make them learn how to read books, just like you have to do it because you can't teach what you don't have. If we do this, ladies and gentlemen, is it possible that we can become millionaires in this industry? We'll go to YouTube. I will teach you YouTube advertisement. We can even do it on YouTube. Is it possible that we can become millionaires or billionaires? Let's start with Naira. Let's be realistic, all right? Let's say Naira. Can we become billionaires in Naira in the next 12 months? Is it possible? Is it possible? Yes or no? Yes or no? With a massive peak turn up. All right, you do ad on Facebook. We are going to this. What you see here is an ad. What you see here is an ad. What you see here is an ad. It's an ad. Let me click on this again. This one is another one again. What you see here is an ad. So we can do something like this, my brothers and sisters. How many of you are ready for this? If you're ready for this, say I'm ready. Sir Felix is already, me and him, we are going to set up our own this night. Pastor Olowo has already paid money for his own. Now, it is remaining Shoma Emmanuel Abasi here. Paul, Shoma Emmanuel Abasi. Paul, 3 of you and all the leaders, perhaps you are listening to me right now, watching the replay of this video. If it is possible that this can make us billionaires, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's take this action. Let's just give it a touch. 10,000 naira to design the page. 10,000 naira to design the page for us. A sales page like this. This is a sales page. All right. You already know how to run an ad on Facebook. Except people are not watching the videos I post on the group. That's why I said you have to learn. This wealth creation is the business of learning. And I'm already happy that some of you are already doing it. You're already doing it. You're already doing it. Please learn. You can't teach what you don't know. So if you do that ad, we'll bring people to this sales page. All right. Let's find other ones. See, success, just copy and paste. Success is copy. Do what other people are doing. You have the same result. That's all. Let me call Google. Royal Q. Let's see. People want to see your results. Some people that are waiting for you to see, they are waiting for your result. If your result comes, they will join you by force. I'm telling the truth. It's the result that counts. It's not I go. It is not I go. It's I'm doing it already. You have to do it, my ladies, brothers and sisters. It's not I go do this thing. You have to do it. You have to take action. Let's start this business. Okay, look at this person's page. Real quick quantitative introduction, professional. Look at this page. So we can literally go through the internet. The guy will just copy one of these, all this, you will copy them. The boy will just copy. It's copy. All of us is the same company. No, not like photo. What do you call? Copyright or anything like that. Piracy, rather, not like piracy. Not like piracy. Yeah, the same brand. So you can go for the best. Yeah, it's going to go for the best page. That is easy. You do the same thing. The videos are already on the internet. I mean, if you are ready for this tonight, we are paying 10K individually or everybody is on page. This is your own page. This is your business. This is like your office. Your sales page is your office. You can direct them to WhatsApp. There are some pages to direct them to your WhatsApp group. They will shut you up. All right. This is your own sales page. Everybody, your own sales page. I will have my own sales page. You will have your own sales page. Then the ad for Facebook. I already have an ad that is going on. Let me show you my ad that is going on Facebook. So you see my ad. So you don't have to create any new ad. You can just use that ad. It's already working. The ad is not performing the way I want it to perform, and I know the problem. I'm going to correct it very soon. After this webinar, I will stop the ad. But look at my ad, my feed. Let me share my phone screen. I mean, if you can see my screen, my phone screen, type 111. All right, so I'm going to click it. Ad preview. This ad is active, it's running. So you have to go to your Facebook account and go to facebook.com. I think I will show the URL so that you can copy it and create a business page, your business account, Facebook business account. Look at the ad. This is how it is running on Facebook. Right now, it's running. So you must not even do, if you like, you can use your picture to do it. I can give you a video on how to use Canva. I use Canva to design this image. Nobody designed it for me. I designed it myself. So you can use this image, and then with this write-up, just go to your own Facebook account and place the ad. The same write-up, no nothing, no different, because we are all the same company. Is that a good thing, or is that good or bad? Is that good or bad? Good. It's good. So, how many of you are doing it today? Safeli is already doing it, and Olowe is already doing it. I want to start with those of us that are in this place now. The total amount you are going to spend for this. See, focus on this. People are just focusing on your trading capital. When I hear this trading capital, when I hear trading capital and I hear $200, $300, $2,000, $3,000, I'm not seeing those as trading capital. Remove money from your trading capital and fund your network marketing. You make more money from network marketing than trading. I'm telling you the truth. If you have $100 in your trading account, remove it and use it to spend on your network marketing business. And of us are just so interested in this trading capital. Okay, if you have $100 or $200, say what is the kind of result you are getting? What do you mean by results, sir? Okay, the result is impressive. People are joining, but there's something wrong with the ad. I want to correct it. The turn up is not. I don't like the way the response is coming. I want to correct something. All right, so the ad is already having results. Most people you saw on that group came from that ad. Most people. When that ad was on Facebook, blocked, restricted me from a week ago, and I've resolved the issue with them yet 2 days ago. So the ad is not running, but it's not performing the way I expected it to perform. We'll do this ad on Facebook. We'll do this ad on Instagram. I'm going to do one for Instagram, but let's have page. So we'll have one on Instagram. We'll have one on Facebook. 115, 1,000. You can spend 1,500 for one, 1,500 for one, or you spend 2,000 for each. If the money is there, it's your business. You have to spend. See, when I think about how much you spend in going to Port Harcourt, renting hall, going to radio, and compare it to doing this business online. The online is far cheaper. Sir, am I correct on this? Sir Felix, am I correct on this? And for it to be a networker, you have to spend money on your business. So, how many of us? Okay, how many of us are going to do it today? You are already seeing the money on the chat, on this thing, on the screen. You have seen the hosting amount. The hosting amount is 13. Okay, we can do it. We can have 6 months for 12,200 or so, 6 months. How much is the total amount to spend? The total amount to spend is just about 22,200 or so, because the 6 months plan, we can do 6 months. All right, we can host our domain for 6 months, and then give that boy 10K to design the page for us. Then we run ads. Just keep some money in your bank account. You run. That's how I get my people. I'm just showing you how I was able to build my organization. You can do it too. You can do it. This is how I do it. You can do it. You don't have to wait for anybody. Some of you have not met you before. Some of you have not met you. I mean, if you are ready to do it, if you're ready to do it, say I'm ready, so that you can send me I will send you my account number, then you pay now. I will send to the boy. The boy will design. The money you are spending is for the boy, but this particular one, you can do it by yourself. This one, if you don't want to go through the hurdles of opening the account, the boy can do it for you with his email address. The 10K of designing is for individuals. Everybody, your own page. This page cannot be my own, and my phone number is here. And if I run an ad, somebody click here and they are clicking your own account, your own number. No, if you're like, it's your website, it's your office, your online office where you talk about the business. We'll be talking to them. You will have your phone number, your own phone number on the page. After everything, your contact, everything will be on the page. How to click your link. Some people use link. Look at here, join group, Telegram. You see this one? Join group. If you click on join group now, I mean, who will teach them like you are teaching us now? They will See, that is why I said you have to learn, and they are going to be joining us as they come. Open Telegram, okay. As they come, you bring them. You can give them the group link. You can also create your own group. You can have your own personal group that you are promoting. Can't we get discount if we do quantity? The guy said, this thing, the page, to develop a page is expensive. I'm not lying to you. The last guy that developed all those my pages, that guy charged me 25,000 naira. Was it 25,000? No, that guy charged me 60,000 naira for just one page. Super live. This one. So what this guy had to beg him. I had to beg him. I said, don't worry, I will tell all my leaders to do this thing. That is why he accepted. If not, but like this page is not okay. This page, this is not the page. That page has expired. I did not renew it again because I'm not promoting Super Live again. I have page for all my businesses. So please, brothers. So, okay, Safari said, can't we get it known? So I'm asking this question again. Who is ready to do it now? So that I will send you my account number so that you see you get it done. Get it done. Get it done. This will boost your business. It will help you. At least for your family. Your children are waiting for you. They are waiting. Mommy, we are tired of you crawling. Daddy, we are tired of you crawling. Bring a massive result. Take action. You can't have money in your trading account and you're not spending money on your network marketing business. That is an error. It's a big one. It means that you are chasing small things, just like somebody dropped a pot of soup with chicken, everything, and then you are chasing the one that is dropping on the ground like small rice without meat. That's what it means. So I want to do so, but I'm not clear about the whole thing. Okay, Shoma. Sales page, Sales page. Sales page. Let me go to. Sales page is something that you build. So you create an ad on Facebook or Insta, like this is an ad. This is Google search ad. All right. Once you create an ad, somebody will click on your link. This is a website. This is a website. This you can copy something like it. We'll just look at one of the best and copy what they have done, and then do the same thing, put our own number and everything. So we'll be running an ad on Facebook, and people will come here and check it. This is how people make money from Royal Q. They are doing advertisement. All these guys are saying they have massive results. They are doing advertisement on the internet. Okay, what makes you feel they have people in Cameroon, Ghana, and every part of the world? It's advertisement they are doing. So we can do it. The world today is a global village. It's a global village. You can do business with people everywhere through ads. So your sales page is like your website, is your house, is your office, everything about Royal Q is there. It's just that you renting a shop. I know I can't handle seminars now. Shema, what do you mean by handling seminars? You will bring them to this our daily meetings every day. What you do, anybody you recruit, you encourage them to come here. But that doesn't mean that you will not learn how to present yourself. One of these days, in fact, from this next week now, like tonight, taken by Sao Olowo, but it's not yet. Paul, can you take us for tonight? Does the ad pop up, or do they have to come to search it on Google? It's a search. This one is a search ad. This one I brought is a search ad. This one is a search ad. Because as such, a display ad is something that you be displaying banners, on the website. It's called display ad. Someone will say, okay, I will come here. It's okay. Okay, good. Shabat, get on board. See, I want to all of us make ourselves and our husbands and our wives proud for once. Don't focus on your trading money. Remove money from your trading money and fund their network marketing. All right, Sir Felix, I want to thank all of you for tonight's webinar. We have really, learned. I mean, if you have learned and we are ready to take action. If you're ready to take action, say, I will. I want to build a community of internet millionaires. That's what I'm doing. A community of internet millionaires. That's what I'm building. I will teach you how to do everything. Google ads, YouTube ads. How to create your own channel. Go to my channel. This is the basic. Let me show you my channel. You have to become a creator because you can impact the people. You can impact lives. Prince Ikilowe. This is my channel now. If you type Prince Ikilowe, you'll see me. Look at videos. All right. So every day I ask people. Les Brown said something. He said, imagine today being on your deathbed. Imagine today being on your deathbed. And being on that bed, you're seeing the ghost of all the great things. You're seeing the ghost of the leadership skills. You're seeing the ghost of the billions of dollars in your account. You're seeing the ghost of every great thing God actually made you to be. Because you refuse to take action, because you refuse to take, you are procrastinating. And they say, we came to you, and only you could have given us life, but today we are going to die with you forever. And the question asked most people today, if you die today, if you die this very moment, what gift, what ability, what greatness, what leadership qualities will die with you? Miles Moreau of blessed memory said, the wealthiest place on earth is not in America, where they mine diamond. They have oil, or not in South Africa, where they in South Africa, where diamonds are mined. Or not in Iraq, where there is oil. But the wealthiest place on earth is the cemetery. There you see books never written. You see abilities never developed. Please, I'm begging you that tonight, that you will not become a treasure to the graveyard. Tonight, my prayer for you is that you will not become a treasure to the graveyard. This is my channel. I'm just starting, right? I'm just starting. Why do you think I'm doing this? Will I be forgotten? Yes or no? Will I be forgotten? Yes or no? I'm just starting, no. Sincerely, I want you guys to answer. Will I be forgotten? Yes or no? No. Absolutely no. So if you're not creating, dropping on the internet like this, then how can it be remembered tomorrow? How can it be remembered? Look at Miles Moreau. Look at all these great men. They are still influencing their world even after they have left. So my question to us tonight is that what are you doing to influence the world? That is why you have to be very intentional about learning. You have to be intentional. You have to be intentional. You have to be ready to learn. You have to be ready to take action. You have to be ready to take mentorship seriously. Because I was mentored. I have to dedicate myself. After this webinar, I will start learning. I don't sleep. I see most of us, we sleep too much. Sleep too much. All right. I want to welcome once again new members to Royal Q tonight. Tonight, we are going to be talking about how you can earn with Royal Q. How you can earn with Royal Q. Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow, our training. Please join that training tomorrow. Tomorrow, our training is going to be about forex trading. My goal in this team is to make you become professional traders, not just network marketing. My goal is that all of you become professional traders. So tomorrow we are going to have trading class, how to analyze the market. How many of you are going to be here for that class? Type 111. Those of you who would like to be in that class, this is where you analyze the market. I will show you how to analyze market. Forex, I will show you how you analyze coin. Tomorrow, we are going to do that class. How many of you are ready for that? If you are ready for that, say, I will. or type 111, type 111. So in La Priso Wealth Academy, this team advantage we have is all of you who are in this team, if you have not given me your email, please send me your email now. Let me add you to the La Priso Wealth Academy. I will show you the La Priso Wealth Academy now. Let me show you La Priso Wealth Academy. If something is not working, I will not be proud to say it. All right. Okay. Now, this is La Priso Wealth Academy. Okay, this is the back end of La Priso Wealth Academy. Curriculum. This is Teachable. Teachable is where you can host your courses. If you don't know about Teachable, Teachable is a website whereby you can host your courses. If you have content that you want to sell online, you can just shoot the videos. All right, you can shoot the videos with screen recorder. You can use Bandit. Bandit is a screen recorder. Let me show you Bandit. You use Bandit. Look at Bandit here. How many of you have seen Bandit? How many of you have seen Bandit on my screen? Bandit, BANDC. Okay, I'm showing something else. Sorry, it's okay. So, curriculum. Review. This is where the courses are. All right, these are the courses. Forex, what is Forex courses? What is Forex? How to set up your trading account, how to place a trade, what is a PIP, types of orders, candlestick for beginners, leverage and trading windows, types of traders, types of analysis, risk management, how to use trading view, what is support and resistance, how to trade support and resistance, how to draw trend line, how to trade with the trend, how to trade in the range market, how to trade Fibonacci, understanding market structure, simple price action trading, price action strategy, trading plan, how to trade with the trend. These are courses. These courses, I'm telling you the truth, all my students who have taken these courses, they will come back and tell me, sir, you have completely changed my life of trading. I get these things text messages I'm not telling you what doesn't work. I took my time to learn Forex. A lot of people thought Forex is a get-rich-quick business. So they go, they blow their account, they have no risk management. That's not how Forex is traded. Forex is a very profitable business if you know how to trade very well professionally. So that's why I teach these two skills, Forex and network marketing. I teach it crazy. So for you to be in La Priso, now we have how to buy and sell Bitcoin and perfect money in Nigeria, how to create Bitcoin wallet. Anyone you open, you just watch the video. Hello. You're welcome to La Priso. All right, we don't have time. So we also have bonus crypto courses. Crypto courses are how to create Bitcoin wallet, Binance overview, how to trade on Binance, P2P trading on Binance, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trading style. These are all courses that you stand to benefit if you join our team as in our team in this RealQ organization business. So I want to at this juncture plead with Sir Felix to take us on the RealQ business proper. I want to welcome you all. I want to encourage you to keep I want to encourage you to come again next time. And I want to make you believe that you are in the right place today, because cryptocurrency is the deal, is what is trending. It's going to make, it has made so many people billionaires, and you are among the people that cryptocurrency is going to make billionaires. Because in this cryptocurrency business that we do, we trade and we invest. Royal Q does the trading for you. We trade and we invest. We'll show you coins to buy that you can keep for tomorrow. Some of these coins are very cheap. $100, you can make a lot of money. Invest in good coins. You learn all that, how to invest, and then you trade. This is a business that can change your life. So please pay attention, listen, take notes. I want to, at this junction, hand over the microphone to, we are supposed to use, we are supposed to have Pastor Olowo to take over. Pastor Olowo is not here. So please, I want to play with Sir Felix to take us on this presentation, sir. Sir, please, I want to make you host. Okay, Sir Felix, you are the host now.
Can everybody hear me? Okay. Can everybody hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Let me start by sharing my screen. Okay. Is my screen visible? Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay. Okay, I would like to start by saying good evening to each and every one of us that are on this webinar this evening. And this came also with a bit of impromptu-ness, but you know, like any leader, we ought to be ready anytime. It doesn't have to be only in Royal Q business. I remember, okay, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Engineer Felix Ayika. I live in Port Harcourt. I've come to know Honorable Prince Ikilowe since 2020, when I developed interest in Forex, and I joined the academy last year. Okay, so but what I was trying to say is that every one of us should have this sense of preparedness to be ready to take challenges whenever they come. Like I was saying, I wasn't quite prepared for this. I didn't know eventually it would be my responsibility, but again, like, you know, like any leader, we should always be ready. So thank you for the opportunity, Honorable Prince Ikilowe, to present again. What we are presenting here is basically the cryptocurrency trading robot, a cryptocurrency trading robot, which is basically a software that has been programmed to assist us to trade crypto, whether or not you have trading experience. Like some of us, even inclusive of Honorable Prince Ikilowe, before he could get to this level, he has spent a lot of energy, time, and money learning the skills. And I know that if a Royal Q robot had been available when he started learning, he would not be at this level that he is today, he will have gone very far. Royal Q is a new technology that has also been made easily available to people. I know that personally too, I have been introduced to a robot in the course of my learning Forex trading. I was introduced to a robot, but somehow a mentor advised that you should learn how to trade by yourself. That is, you should learn how to understand the market rather than just get a robot to trade for you. That's Forex. So because of that, I remained averse to anything that has to do with robots. However, why did I eventually decide to join Royal Q? There's a big difference between Forex trading and cryptocurrency trading. That's one reason. There's a big difference. In the case of Forex trading, which I've also tried to trade with real money, because normally you have the opportunity to trade with money that is not real. That's kind of learning account. But I've had the opportunity to use real money. However, because of what Forex trading is, it can go either way. You can gain some and you can lose some. But you need to learn the skills to be able to minimize your losses and optimize and maximize your profits. You have to do this by yourself. But Royal Q has taken away that burden of staying late in the night, studying the market, placing the trade, making mistakes, and then watching your money go down the drain, and you can't do anything about it. Because when once you subscribe, you give your money, you send your money to a broker, you subscribe, say maybe $1,000 or $200 or whatever. They will create that account for you. They will also multiply it for you, and then you start trading, and you watch your money go up and down, and sometimes because you have not fully perfected it, people end up blowing their account. That is one thing about Forex trading. But Royal Q has taken away that problem by focusing on spot trading, focusing on cryptocurrency trading. There's a difference between spot trading and Forex trading. Spot trading, all you do is you buy when the price is low, and then when you see that the price goes up, you sell, you make your profit. That is spot trading. As a matter of fact, even if you do not have Royal Q, if you have Binance account and you keep your money in Binance and you watch the market, you can buy cryptocurrency when you think the price is low and leave it. And then when the price goes up, you can sell it. Then you have made profit. But the problem with that is that you have to constantly monitor the market. The market is a very complex place. So many cryptocurrencies out there. For you to be able to monitor them, you need assistance. You need the aid of computer. Royal Q has solved all of that problem for us. So that's why I'm in for this Royal Q thing. So Royal Q has come out to be what we can call the Ponzi killer. There have been a lot of Ponzi schemes that many of us have gotten ourselves involved in. Some of them came out, they looked very attractive, they looked very good, they started very well, but because they are Ponzi's, when the people who created such schemes have achieved their objective, they just they disappear into thin air with your money. Another thing why Royal Q is attractive is that you don't give your money to anybody. I know we have this uphill task because of the bad experiences that people have already had. Anytime we talk about trading, online trading, people still have that mentality that is the same thing. They have put their money somewhere, the money has gone, and they have no way of tracing it. Royal Q is totally different. So it is the Ponzi killer. If you come across Royal Q and you do not take advantage of it, then you have yourself to blame. So welcome to Royal Q, which is the future. Royal Q is a robot that helps you to trade and earn money every day. If you follow the instructions, you earn every day and you will never lose. The worst thing that can happen is that you may have what is called the floating loss. It is called floating loss because you have bought a currency and you are waiting for the price to go up. Even if the price is going down, you keep it. As long as you keep it, it is not a loss. When the price rises and you sell, you make your profit. It scalps automatically. Scalping is when you go into the market, get your profit and come out. That's what Royal Q does. It buys and sells and it takes profits. Now it also uses the dollar cost averaging and it has proper risk management. These are things I will go into much details as we go further. It allows you to earn up between 1% and 5% on a daily basis in cryptocurrency, nothing else but cryptocurrency. Royal Q partners with the biggest exchanges in the world, 2 of them. The biggest is called Binance, and the next one is called Huobi. It gives us this opportunity or the options. If you try to use Binance, because of their strict regulations for security, in case you do not meet that requirement, you can use Huobi that is not as strict. So it gives us this opportunity. So this is an opportunity that has come to us. Many of us, we are familiar with the prayer, give us this day our daily bread. This Royal Q is one way you can get your bread daily. I believe that also should be an answer to that prayer. You get your daily bread through Royal Q. And then you are in 100% control of your money. You don't give your money to anybody. Royal Q itself, you don't give your money to Royal Q. Your money is in your account in either Binance or Huobi, and you're in control. At any time T, you can decide to put your money because it's under your control. So normally we have what they call normal distribution of people, normal distribution. From those who do statistics, there is a chart that it's called normal distribution, and it is now presented in a form of pie chart, where every one of us, fall into one category or another. Is either you are part of the 95% of the populace, 95% of the population that is making only 5% of the market, that is making money from 5% of the entire market, or you are amongst the 5% that is making 95% of the market in terms of profit. That is what is called the 4-way cash flow. It's either you belong to the 95, which is made up of 60% of employees, people who are employed and are working for someone, that is 60% of the populace. The next 35% are those who are working for themselves. And the way things are in Nigeria, many people do not get employment. Most graduates come out with their degrees, There's no hope for employment. So what some of them do, they end up, working for themselves, create a job for themselves, and they work. Some of them work real hard. I've learned many years ago, many years ago, that the best way to make money is to make your money to work for you, rather than you working for money. But these people, those who are working for someone, they are working for money. Those who are working for themselves, they are working for money. But those who own businesses, who have invested money into businesses that are running, their money is working for them. And those who are the 1% of the population who have this investor mindset, they invest and their money also works for them. So these two people, the 1% and the 4%, make up the 5% that are making 95% of the monies that are coming out from the market. So it is important that wherever you belong, whether you are an employee today, it's not a crime, but you need to begin to develop the mindset. You need to begin to have a change of mindset by thinking as an investor. It starts by the changing of your mind. It starts from your thought realm. You think as an investor and you begin to act as an investor. So this Royal Q gives us an opportunity to do that. Now, what exactly does Royal Q do? Royal Q is a cryptocurrency trading robot that uses intelligence, artificial intelligence. That's what it does. The emphasis is on cryptocurrency. Different kinds of currency that have existed since the history of human beings. The first type that we know historically is what is called the trade by barter. That's how people exchange value, and they trade in goods and services. Some people still do it today. Take, for example, someone who has no money and wants to eat, is hungry, doesn't have, anything. Sometimes some people decide to go to a fast food restaurant where they can see food to eat, but they have no money to buy. What they now do, they volunteer to do the dishes. They are washing all the plates and the dishes and cutleries. And at the end of that day, you get food. They don't give you cash. It's still happening 2021. That is basically trade by barter, and is the oldest form of trading. But trading has evolved over the centuries. That's evolved from trade by barter to the use of coins, and then to the use of currency notes, to electronic money, transferring money electronically. Now, the one that is at the top of this evolution now is cryptocurrency, digital money. It's different from electronic money. This is digital money, and that's what is called cryptocurrency, because it is based on a technology that is decentralized. It's not like the one that, a central bank controls and decides how much of it is in the market. And when they think that it is too much, they withdraw it. They control, basically. Cryptocurrency, the moment you buy into it, your money now goes into what is called decentralized, economy, decentralized. It's not under any government. You don't need to pay taxes or VAT on transactions in cryptocurrency. That's the beauty. That's the beauty of cryptocurrency, and that's what Royal Q focuses on: trading in cryptocurrency, making use of intelligent robots, artificial intelligence. Now, this robot is a semi-automatic robot. Semi-automatic in the sense that it is basically at your service. It is not in control of your finances. Rather, you decide, you take the decision of what you want the robot to do for you in terms of how much you want to invest, in terms of which currencies you want to buy, and then you set the parameters, you give the instruction, and RoyalQ executes it faithfully without the usual emotions attached to humans intervention. So it's a semi-automatic robot. And like I said earlier on, it is in partnership with two out of the lot, two of the biggest exchanges in the world. Now, why are we talking of exchange? If we are talking of fiat currency, that is money, like Naira or the pound or any of these foreign currencies, it has to be put in a bank for storage. It's either you keep it in a formal bank or you get anywhere to keep it for security. But because cryptocurrency is a digital currency, you cannot hold it and bring it and keep it in a safe or in a box. That's where exchanges come in. You keep it in an exchange, and from those exchanges you can transfer from one wallet to another through the blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is an encrypted technology, encrypted in the sense that it's not like our normal bank account that we need to have a BVN, we need to have bank accounts so that somebody can trace you, can trace your transactions and regulate it. This one, it uses the blockchain technology. Even if you see a wallet, the alphanumeric numbers describing that wallet, they are so long and so complex that you cannot identify who owns it, but just by mere looking. That is what an exchange, uses. So it makes sure that your funds are secure. It makes sure that your funds are in your control. That is either Binance or the Huobi exchange. And Binance is, a bit more strict in terms of security. When I say strict, that is when you are doing your registration, the requirements are a bit more stringent in the sense that they will require you to get your ID, government issued ID card. You do your facial recognition, that is by taking a selfie of yourself, but all the conditions that they put, some people find it easy to overcome those hurdles, whereas some other people, they struggle with it. That is why you have an option of using either Huobi or Binance. If you are stuck and you are unable to get your registration and verification on Binance, Huobi is a bit easier, but both of them are basically the same in terms of efficiency. Now, RoyalQ, when you subscribe to RoyalQ, you will now link it to your exchange through what is called the API binding. And through that API binding, RoyalQ is allowed to communicate with your exchange, that is Binance or Huobi. Two of them will be communicating with each other through what they call API binding. And then RoyalQ is allowed, through the parameters that you set, is allowed to trade by buying crypto for you when the price is low and when the price is dropping, to buy for you. And then you also allow RoyalQ to sell for you when the price is going up. And then it is also allowed, RoyalQ is also allowed to monitor the market on your behalf. So that's why people say this is an opportunity for you to make money while you sleep or make money while you are in your dream world. You just wake up and you find that RoyalQ has worked for you through the night. All you need to do, open your phone, check the application and find out how much it has made for you. That's the beauty of Royal Queue. Now, also Royal Queue, the parameters that you set does not allow Royal Queue to withdraw money from your Binance account. So your money is 100% safe. Royal Queue also does not have the capacity to transfer assets. For example, if it cannot withdraw money, but if it can transfer assets, if anyone can have access to your cryptocurrency and move it into another wallet, then you lose it. Royal Queue does not have that capacity. It's not programmed to do such. Hence, your money is safe. That's one of the bullet points that makes Royal Queue a Ponzi killer. Most of these Ponzis, you must send your money somewhere. You must lose control of your money for a period until maybe their so-called maturity date before you get your returns on investment. This one, your money is not leaving you. It stays with you and you continue to make profit. It doesn't have to go and come in form of return on investment. That's the beauty of Royal Queue. Now, Royal Queue, like I said earlier on, does purely sports trading, trading in cryptocurrency. And sports trading is the kind of trading whereby it looks at the market. When the price is low, it buys. When the price drops for that, it buys. And the price drops even for that, it buys. So it's programmed to buy cryptocurrency when the price is low. And then when the market reverses and price begins to go up, Royal Queue is programmed to sell. Now, if it were human beings, if it were a human being doing this, you miss a lot of opportunities while the price is dropping because of our limitation. But Royal Queue, being a robot, even within 1 second, Royal Queue can do multiple transactions in a second. It's like when you want to do a transaction on your phone. Maybe I say, send me money through your phone app. Before you open your application, log in, put your password, select the activity you want to do, whether you want to do transfer, you put in the account number, it brings out the name, you put in the amount you want to send, and then it confirms for you, and then you put in either your PIN or your password. This activity, before you can do one transaction, it's not less than 5 minutes. That is for one transaction. Assuming you have to transfer money to 10 people, it may take you 1 hour. Whereas, because Royal Queue is an artificial intelligence robot, it can do multiple transactions in 1 second. As the price is fluctuating, because it's a computer, it's also following back to back, bumper to bumper, as the price is fluctuating, and is executing the instructions that you give. Buy when the price drops. Even if it drops by a 1% drop, it will buy 1%. When I say 1%, take for example, you buy a currency at say $10. 1% of $10 is 10 divided by 100. That is 1 cent. When the price drops to say $9.99, which is close to $10, it will buy for you. When it drops to $9.98, it buys for you. Like that, depending on how you set your criteria, it keeps buying when the price is low. Then when it is time to sell, because it has bought multiple times for you, and the average of the cost has come down because it has bought when it is lower, the average is lower than the initial $10. When it is time to sell, if it sells for you, even at $11, the profit margin is higher. And that is what is called the martingale, one of the points in martingale strategy, called the dollar cost averaging. What I've just described is the dollar cost averaging. That's how the Royal Q buys and sells for you. If you are to monitor this physically by yourself, you can't meet up because the activities are so fast and the number of coins in the market are so many, you cannot monitor all of them physically by yourself. You are limited. Royal Q does it making use of the martingale strategy of dollar cost averaging, buying coins when the market value is dropping, and then take advantage of the price in order to optimize your profit for you. Royal Q, in order to acquire this Royal Q, you need to do annual subscription for it. It used to be $100 when they were doing promo, but that promo time is over. It is now $120 per annum. $120 per annum is what you need in order to, that's what you need in order to subscribe to Royal Q. And then the moment you register and subscribe, the quantitative trading, that is trading for you using all the mathematical calculations, it will start immediately. And from the very day one, when you subscribe and you activate your robot and you put in a trading capital, the trade will start immediately, and you have the chance of making between 0.5 and 5% profit on a daily basis. And this happens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days in a year. And then Royal Q is compensated with 20% of your profit. Royal Q does not tamper with your money. Royal Q does not have access to your money. And so out of the profit that you make, 20% of it is deducted, or rather is used to settle for the logistics and the service that it provides for you. Now, Royal Q, because it does not have access to your money, even your profit, Royal Q cannot go into your profit to withdraw this 20%. Rather, you are expected to do a prepay into Royal Q account upfront, so that anytime it makes profit for you, it will go into that money that you paid upfront to withdraw the equivalent 20%. So let's say you are trading with $100 and you made a profit of $10 today. Royal Q will go to the money you deposited in their wallet and withdraw 10% of the $10 profit. 20% of the $10 profit, which means $2, will be deducted from the money you kept. You are expected to keep a prepaid gas fee. About 20% of your trading capital needs to be kept in the asset of Royal Q. That's where you get that's where Royal Q gets its money from. It cannot come into Binance or Wobi to collect any money. That's the beauty of Royal Q. So, depending on your trading capital, you are expected to set aside some money for this gas fee. If it is, say, in the order of $100 to $150 trading capital, after the activation of your Royal Q robot, you need to set apart like 20% of that, say $20. That's what is recommended. And then every day you are making profits of between 0.5 and 5%, depending on the market, how the market plays out. So this means that in terms of dollars, somebody who puts in $150 as trading capital and you synchronize it properly, you can be making between 50 cents and $5 a day based on your $150 trading capital. If you have huge capital, bigger amount, say $1,000, and you set aside you need to set aside like 20% of that, which is $200, and then you'll be making daily profits ranging from 5% to $5 to $50 a day. If it is, say, up to 10,000 USD, you need to set aside like $2,000 for this gas fee, and your daily profit can range between $50 and $500. $500 on a daily basis. So that's what Royal Q is designed to do. Now, all that have been described up until this point is only one of the two various means of generating income in Royal Q. There are two main ways. The first one is trading income. All that I have been talking about is the trading, which can give you between 1 to 5% daily. There's another source of revenue in Royal Q, which is the affiliate income. And that's what I'm going to talk about in the next few slides. The affiliate income, which can be used to increase your trading capital. That is, by executing the Royal Q affiliate program, which means the point where you register and activate your Royal Q, you'll be given a referral code, and you use that referral code to refer people, bring people into the business. And as soon as they register and activate their Royal Q, you are given bonuses from that very level. First level of being a member is called V1, VIP level 1. Anyone you bring in, you get $30 immediately, automatically credited to you. So you can multiply that and know how much to expect. If you're able to bring, say, 4 people, and you earn $30 immediately from all 4 people, you can see that the money that you use to subscribe for that year has been paid for. You've gotten your money back. So it depends on how well you can work. It depends on how fast you can work and how serious you are about the business. So that's why we are encouraging people not only to trade with the Royal Q robot, but also join and participate in the affiliate program. Now, the affiliate program, has a 6-level plan. From the moment you activate your robot, you become a V1 member, and then you are expected to rise in that ladder up to level 6, which is called V6, as you carry out the activities of the affiliate program. Now, if you look on the right side of the chart, the moment you activate your robot, you are on V1. That's what we've been told. We are on V1. Now, if you are able to get 3 people to activate, remember, it's no longer $100, it is $120. But let's say you are able to get 3 people into the Royal Q using your referral link. 3 people. As they register and activate 120, 120, 120, you get $30, $30, $30 immediately. You get that credited to your account automatically. And then, you also get 20% of the gas fee that these 3 people are paying. You get 20% of gas fee that they are paying. And the gas fee is, every 365 days a week, there must be, money set aside for that purpose. So that is one way to make money in Royal Q, the affiliate program. Now, this affiliate program, like I said, has 6 levels, 6 VIP level. From the time you activate, it's one thing to register, it's another thing to activate. So the moment you activate, you have demonstrated seriousness. And then you can begin to build a team of users, and you begin to get rewards with different kinds of bonuses that are available on Royal Q, which I'm going to go into details, after this slide. Now, the first level is V1 membership, like I mentioned before. One member queue. The moment you do that, the robot is at your service, ready to work for you, doing all those things that it has been designed to do. And then you begin to stand the chance of starting to make profit immediately. All the capabilities will be at your disposal, real-time monitoring, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days in a year. You become a V1 member, and then for everybody, every new member you bring in, you get $30 referral, and there's no limit. There's no limit. It's up to you. Just get people registered with your link, get them to activate. The moment they activate, you check your account, you will see $30 for each one of them in your account. I think I need to pause here to emphasize the fact that this whole transaction is transacted in US dollars. With the way our economy is in Nigeria today, I don't know of those in other countries, but it is preferable that you transact, especially when it has to do with earning, that you earn in USD, because whatever you earn, because of the exchange rate of, say, close to 600, approaching 600 naira to a dollar. That is a lot of money. So $30, or no matter, even if it is $1, multiply it by 560, is a lot of money. It's a lot of money. You also earn a dividend of 20% of your team's profit. That is those people who you bring in under you, as they are making profit, and 20% is being deducted from their profit, you have a share of 20% of that profit as Royal Q is trading for them. In order to be a V2 member, you need to have registered 3 people with your referral link and helped them to activate. That's all you need to do. When they activate their robot, 3 of them, and then if you are able to get a total number of 20 people registered under you, you will automatically move to V2 membership level. And when you are on V2 membership level, your bonuses and rewards are also stepped up. They are stepped up. You earn a dividend of 30% of the 20% profit that is deducted from everyone in, that's your downline. 20% of their profits that they are making, you get 20%, 30% of that profit. It's only a little bit of it that goes to Royal Q. You share in that person's profit. And then you get $10 for every new active member that joins your team. That means as you encourage people under you to get and use their referral link to get people in, as they succeed and they are getting $30 for each person they bring, you are also getting $10 from each person that they bring as a V2 member. You get $10 for each person. So assuming you have 3 people under you that are V1 members, and each one of them bring, even if it is only 1 person that each one of them bring, it means you are guaranteed of 30. That is 10 times 3, $30 from just bringing people into activate their Royal Q. That's the reward you get for V2 membership level. If you are able to register 5 V1 members, if you increase, that is add another 2 to the 3 that you had before to activate their robot. You're able to register 5 of them and to start using their robot. And then you help at least 3 members to also become V2. You are already on V2. If you're able to encourage and help 3 members under you to become V2 members, and all of you as a team, you're able to grow to 100 in number, you that brought these 5 people in, you will be stepped up to the next level. You become a V3 member. And as a V3 member, the same thing, your benefit also step up. You begin automatically to receive $50 from everybody that is referred by you. Rather than the $30 that you are getting initially, you now get $50 from everyone that is referred with your referral link. And then in addition to that, you receive a 40% dividend from the performance fee. From that 20% that they deduct from the profit, you also share 40% of it. Whenever the robot is making money for people under you, you get 40% of that 20%. In addition, you get for every active user that joins your team, you get 20 USD, $20 until infinity. There's no limit until somebody under you catches up, becomes the same level with you before you stop earning this. And then that will encourage you to also move up to the next level, because the moment you move up to the next level, you start receiving even higher reward than you were at V3. Now, a V3 member also receive what they call the pairs reward, which is a team reward of 5% whenever there is an even distribution among the pairs. You get 5% of that as well. So that's V3. The next level is the V4. V4, where you are required to have registered 8 people to activate their robot. You get 8 people under you to activate the robot, and then you help at least 3 of the people to become V3, and then work with your team to be able to grow that team up to 300 users. You automatically go up to the V4 membership level. And at that level, you earn a bonus of $60 for every person that uses your referral link, $60. Remember, the robot is subscribed at $120. Each one of these persons that subscribe under you, out of the $120 they are using to pay for Royal Q, $60 comes to you. $60 comes to you. So imagine you got 8 people to activate their robot. 6 times 8, that is $480 will come to you just because you referred them and they activated their robots. $480 will come to you automatically. If you're able to do more than that, it's also going to be the multiple of the number that you do. $60 come from every one of them. Now, you also, in addition, when people below you make their profit, the 20% that is deducted, you get half of that. Half of the 20% profit that they make, you get half of that. And then you receive $30 for each new act member that joins your team. Whether you are the one that brought him or not, you indirectly, that is people that your downlines bring into the team, you get $30 from each one of them. So this simply means that teamwork is the key. Teamwork is very, very vital in order to grow this business. And then there is the pairs reward, which you get 5% team rewards whenever there is an even distribution amongst the pairs. Even distribution, I believe, is, everybody is active. Everybody is bringing someone. There's no part of your team that is idle. If everybody is active and they bring in people, you get 5% team reward for an active team. So teamwork is encouraged. Teamwork is greatly encouraged in Royal Q affiliate program. The next level is the V5. At this level, the money begins to roll in, very, very quickly. But in order to be a V5 member, you need to have enrolled 12 V1 members and make them to start encourage them to start using the robot, that is to activate their robot, 12. And then also you are expected to have at least help 3 members to become V4 members. You are a V4 member, you get 3 people to become V4 members, and then your team grows to 800 users. You, that is at the top of this, or that is the driving force in this team, you move on to V5 member. And at that level, as a V5 member, you get $65 for every direct referral that uses your link. For every one of them, you earn 55% of the performance fee of 20% of profit from the trades that the robot does for people under you. And then you get $40 for every new active member that joins your team. Every new active member that joins your team, active member that is, they have activated their robot, you get $40 credited to you automatically. And then you also partake in the pairs reward, which is the team reward of 5% whenever there is an even distribution, amongst your pairs. So everybody's expected to pull their weight in Royal Q, working as a team, so that you can get maximum reward in Royal Q. The highest level, which is the next, is the V6. V6 membership is the ultimate level, where you are required to have registered and helped them to activate 20 people to activate their robots, and then you help at least 3 members to become V5 members, V5 level. And then also your team is expected to have grown to 1,500 users. Remember, it is a teamwork. So 1,500 should not scare you, because you are not working alone. You are working with a large team. Before you get to this level, your team must have grown greatly. So you're expected to have grown up to 1,500 users in your team. And then when you get to this level, you are promoted, you are moved to V6 and begin to get, referral bonus of $70 for everyone that uses your link. You begin to earn 60% of the dividend of the performance fee of 20% that the robot generates for those who are under you. You get $50 for every new active user that joins your team indirectly, until another person down line of you catches up and becomes, the same level with you. As long as they have not caught up with you, you continue to get $50 for every new active users. Underline the word active. It is one thing to register. It is free to register, but to be an active user, you must subscribe and begin to trade. So active by definition, which means you should be doing something regularly. That's active. So it's not enough to just buy the robot and you sit quietly. You must be active. It's either you are trading or you are pushing the affiliate program. So everyone is encouraged to be active in Royal Q. And then as a V6 member, you get the team reward, which is 5% whenever there is an even distribution amongst the pairs, just like every other level receives. But on top of that, as a V6 member, you receive another reward that is called global weighted dividend. That is for the entire Royal Q. When they declare dividend, you get that 5% of that global weighted dividend. That is the summary of the reward that you get in the affiliate program, which makes it very, very attractive. The higher you go, as they say, the cooler it becomes. And I think in this affiliate program is really, really true. It becomes cool. Even if as a V6 member, even though idleness is not encouraged, even if you do not do anything, if you do nothing, so long as people are working, people are activating their robot, the only work you need to be doing, or you must be doing, is open your phone, check your account, and begin to see the money that is depositing there daily. And like I said earlier on, because it is computer, artificial intelligence based, it can do multiple transactions in microseconds, multiple transactions which no human being can do. So it will get to a level. That's why when you see some people backup account revenues is reading in thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars, because of the affiliate program that they're involved in, you don't be surprised. This is very, very achievable. It is very, very possible if we put our heart to it. So this is the second means of revenue, which is optional though. It's not compulsory that you do the affiliate program, but there's a lot of reward if you dare to do it. Now, these slides shows screenshots of some individuals, like everyone that has active, their robot is active, they will always have this kind of screen on their phone when they go to their reward details. That is where the daily profit that you earn is displayed. The one on the extreme left, you find it started in August, that is 31st of August, that's when this person started. Well, on this page, that's the first one that is displayed, and it makes, in tens of dollars, sometimes 28, for 13, 15, $15, $9, $15, and so on and so forth. So this person accumulated up to $229 as at the 7th of September. This is when this screenshot was taken. The one at the middle has accumulated 476 as at the 6th of September when this screenshot was taken. These are the daily profits. One thing you will notice is that there is no negative. There is no red. Green is a color for positive, and red is color for negative, but there is no red because it is spot trading that Royal Q is doing. It does not lose. It does not sell at a loss. It sells only when the price is high and there is a profit to be made. That's when it sells. So profits only, no loss, no negative. The one on the right has actually gone as high as $1,393 cumulatively over a period as at the 7th of September. So these are different people with different results, all depending on how much they invested, for trading. That's what makes the difference. It doesn't mean that, some people are more favored than the other. It depends on what you put in. There's also, the next slide is another set of 3 slides. Anytime you see the orange rectangle, the orange color rectangle, that is reward for trading, profit for trading in Royal Q. And this one has accumulated over $7,000. And if you check the daily profits, they are in hundreds, $154, sorry, $154, $475, $722, $413, and so on and so forth. And on this particular day, this person even made over $1,000 as profit in one day. I think this is one of the things that has shot the cumulative above 7,000 US dollars. The one in the middle has done 273 over the period before this screenshot was taken. And these two are rewards. Sorry. These two are rewards for trading in Royal Q. Now, the one at the extreme right, which is a blue rectangle, is not for trading. It is the rewards that this person got from following the affiliate program. And the cumulative, you can see, as at the 7th of September, this person has accumulated 181,000 US dollars. 181. And on the day in question, that is on the 7th of September alone, that very day, that person made 2,968. That is close to $3,000 in one day. The day before that, he made over $5,000. The day before that, over $3,000, for over $4,000, and so on and so forth. So this person is reaping the reward of the labor he has made in getting people into Royal Q, active members in Royal Q. If it is possible for these people, I believe it is also possible for anybody. If you can only do what they are doing, you can replicate this result in your own case. The next set of slides, the blue rectangle shows someone who has accumulated 23,414 US dollars as of the 14th of August. As of the 14th of August. The one in the middle is the trading reward, and the person has made 657. The one on the extreme right is affiliate program reward. The person has done 273,000 US dollars as at the 7th of September. So these are different results based on different inputs.
Felix, we can't see your screen.
I see.
We can't see your screen.
Okay, let me.
And then you'll be also checking your messages to know what people are saying. So I will advise that you open your chat chat box open, window open, so you can be seeing the chat of people.
Okay, can you see my screen now? Because I've tried to share it again. Can you see my screen?
No, we can't see. It's only a positive screen we are seeing.
Okay. What about now?
Only positive screen we are seeing.
Okay.
Now we are seeing.
Okay, you can see my screen now.
You have gone far. You have already concluded.
Okay, where did what's the last one? Maybe I can go back.
I think since I didn't even notice. I just noticed it because I was also away as we were talking. I was doing something, so I said, let me come back now.
Can anybody tell me can anybody chat to tell me where they stopped seeing my screen, or do I just conclude? I don't know where.
I think ever since I've been watching them, but I was on phone. I was on phone call. I was receiving a call, but I was watching the screen. I understand.
My screen stops sharing. I don't know. Can anybody? I can't even hear you.
Okay, that started sharing.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Are you seeing our chat? It's only. I can hear you now. So maybe somebody can just draw my attention to where they stop seeing the screen.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now, but double is echoing. Hello? Okay, so
hello?
yes, I can hear you now, but it's like you have two microphones at once.
Okay, let me handle that. Okay, is it better now?
Yes, it's okay now.
Hello?
It's okay now. It's okay now.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Hello? Oh dear.
Okay.
Hello? Okay, it's like you can hear me now. All right. So, I'll just continue from here. I was talking about the words, the revenue details. The revenue details that people who have ventured into both trading and affiliate program. You can see that there's a huge difference between those who are just merely trading and those who ventured into the affiliate program. The difference is remarkable. The highest we have here on this on the extreme left for those who are just trading is about 7,000. I can't compare that with somebody who is earning, who has earned like 181,000 US dollars. That's a lot of difference, and that's why it is encouraged that you not only trade, but get involved with this affiliate program. That's where the real money is. That's where the real benefit is. But again, I need to emphasize that it is optional. The choice is always yours. But we have put it before you. You make the right choice. Just like the Bible talks about choosing, putting before you life and death, and encouraging you to choose life. The same way, I'm putting before you trading alone, and then trading with affiliate program. Choose trading with affiliate program, and you will not regret you did. So that is the next slide. Again shows a huge difference between those who are involved with the affiliate program and those who just restrict themselves to the trading program. To my right, you have someone who has accumulated 273,000 US dollars as at the 7th of September, compared to someone who has only made $657, on the 17th of October. So the difference is definitely remarkable. I'm sorry, I didn't know when the slides stopped sharing, so I don't really know where to start from, but I'm hoping that this presentation has actually gotten the desired result in all. So it is an opportunity that has come, which we cannot see anyone that we can say is better than this. For those of us who have traded or invested in one scheme or the other in the past, I personally I have not seen anyone that compares to this for so many obvious reasons. Your money remains under your control. You do not give your money to anybody. You do not give your money to anybody. It's 100% under your control, and it's a robot that is assisting you. You are not having to do all the hard work. And this is an example of working smart rather than working hard. Personally, I believe I have spent a great part of my life working hard. This is time I need to begin to work smart. And Royal Q provides the opportunity. Thank God technology has evolved to a point where we're not only using phones, we are using smartphones. Smartphones. That's why this business, you need to step up. You can't, the one that we call touchlight phone and expect to use it to benefit from this. You need a smartphone, one that is internet capable. That is like a ladder. Every ladder has a first step, a minimum step, and that first step on ladder is not touching the ground. You must lift your foot up and climb the first step in order to continue climbing. That's exactly how this opportunity is. You must meet certain basic requirements. You must familiarize yourself with the use of internet. You can't be a total novice and expect to earn. Everybody can desire to have that 200 and something thousand US dollars. All of us will want it, whether you agree with me or not. But there are certain basic requirements which you must meet. Even if you are not at that level, you can strive, you can learn, you can desire, and work at it to get to that level. It doesn't come free, and there's no place to and expect to get real figures. Whatever you sow is what you reap. If you want to benefit from this, they need to put in something. That's why they say capital is key. Capital is key in the sense that you need some money, at least for a start, 120 US dollars to activate this program. Then you also need some good money. The point is this: it is true because of apprehension, because of fear. Some of us will keep our money somewhere because we are afraid. We don't want somebody to come eat our money like it has happened before. And we keep our money. But this one, it's not collecting your money from you. It's just changing your money, transforming your money into cryptocurrency, where you can now use it to trade in crypto spot trading and increase the value of your money rather than keep it where it has been, where it is being corrupted by inflation. Inflation in this country is getting to alarming levels. Even if you keep your money in the bank, it is reducing in value just as the days go by. So it's time to take action. Time to take action. Don't just sit and watch. Don't sit and watch and all your labor that you have labored and have gathered to begin to go down the drain. Take action and do something about it now. Thank you very much for your attention, for attending this webinar. If there's anyone that has questions, sorry it has taken a bit long, but this is the window of opportunity to ask questions. Anything that bothers your mind, you can ask so that it will be attended to. I'll hand over the mic to Honorable Prince Ikiru at this juncture. If you have any question, please indicate by either show of hand or chat, and then you will be given the opportunity to ask. Thank you very much for listening to me, and God bless everyone of us. Hello. Is there any question? Are we still on? I'm going to make okay, Prince Kilo is your host, so you can unmute yourself if you have anything to say.
All right, sir. I want to thank everybody for coming, and I want to also
Any
encourage.
question, please?
Okay, if there's any question, please. Any question? Anybody has any question? Okay, if there's no question, at this junction, we have come to the end of tonight's presentation, and I want to thank you.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Maybe you need to unmute yourself.
Please, can every other person hear me?
Prince Kiloway, please unmute yourself. I can't hear you.
Get breakdown on the level of VIP in the. Yes, I can send you. I can drop the video now. Please, can somebody hear me now? If you can hear me, type 111. If you can hear me, type 111. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you. All right. Thank you. So I want to thank each and every one of you for. Okay. Good. Thank you so much. Thank you for making our time to be in this webinar. I appreciate you. I congratulate you as well, because those of us who are exposed to this crypto right now, we are the billionaires in the nearest future, because crypto can make you a billionaire, but most people are just still standing on the fence. They are watching up like we are dancing masquerade. Today, Bitcoin is over $63,000. $63,000. I'm going to share my screen now. All right, Bitcoin is $63,000. Let me go to coin market cap. Okay, let's see the price of Bitcoin today. Look at Bitcoin is $2,000, and there are coins here you can buy, because in our team we don't just encourage you to trade. We don't just give you say go allow a robot to trade for you. We also mentor you. All right, we train you. You have an opportunity to join La Prendo Wealth Academy, where you will learn some skills about trading, because you need to also learn how to trade by yourself. Aside from that, we always show you. We can also show you coins in the market that you can buy, because we have been in this market and we are investors as well. Any money you earn, it doesn't matter how much that money is, any money you earn, and you are not investing in the crypto market today or trading, you are making a very big mistake. Some of you today, if you join, you will learn how to trade, you will learn how to invest by yourself anytime you want to invest, and you will start to build your crypto portfolio with Binance and Huobi. So when I see people, somebody, there is no audio. There is no audio, please. Sir Felix, it's like there is something wrong with your own microphone. Check your microphone, sir. There is audio. Can every other person hear me? If you can hear me, type 222. The meeting is a little bit longer because of the technical issues we are having, but I want to appreciate those of you who are here up to now. Please, if you can hear me, type 222. Okay, Sir Felix, it means that it is only you that cannot hear me. So please don't drag your feet. When I see young men dragging their feet for crypto, sometimes it makes me cry, because most people don't even know what they are about to get involved in. This is the future. This is our generation we are talking about. Crypto is the future of money. Okay, good. Crypto is the future of money in the world. Some of you that don't have time for crypto today, there will be a time you don't have any other option but to have your crypto wallet. Imagine you are starting it now that most people don't know. You are doing something that most people don't know. That's why we are taking it as we are singing gospel, just like people preaching in the church. We are singing gospel to people all over the world to get involved in crypto business. And I thank God for Nigeria today, because Nigeria is the #1 cryptocurrency trading country in the world. You can go and do your research, #1. And that's crypto. Nigerians you're talking about is us. We are the Nigerians. Binance cannot do without Nigerians. Never. 36% of the trading volume comes from Nigeria. Only Nigeria, 36%. And all these trading capitals, all these things are going to all these trading exchanges. So, ladies and gentlemen, join the few of us who are already doing it. If we can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. What's stopping you? What's stopping you? I ask people, what's stopping you? What's the excuse? As far as I'm concerned, all of you listen to me tonight, you don't have an excuse. There's no excuse whatsoever. You can do things in a certain way. Stop telling yourself you don't have money, you don't have money. You can have money if you want to have money. If today you are being kidnapped, somebody kidnap you, or they say today that you are going to die, bring 100,000 naira or 70,000 naira to activate the boat. Or if you don't bring that 70,000 naira to activate the boat, they will kill you. So people will bring that money for you. You make phone calls because you are being kidnapped. All right. But why not behave the same way you behave when you are being kidnapped and demand money, ask people for help and get money and start your business? You can start, just activate the robot and start the network marketing aspect of the business. You can do that. If I can do it, if all these people they are showing their results can do it, why can't you do it? Why you give yourself an excuse if you don't have money? Because you will not always have money. I've always been like that, say I don't have money, but I have to tell myself, but I have a why. I don't have money, but how can I have the money? What can I do? How can I serve? Who can I call to beg? Who can I borrow money from? Where can I get started from? We have over 7 billion people in the world. You can render your service to create money for yourself. You can go and meet someone that can do this for you and give me money. You can call 100 people to get 1,000 naira from them to get 100,000 naira. You can do it. So please get involved. Get involved. No excuse. Get involved. Success is not a comfortable place. If you want to become successful, you have to be like a lion in the field. Every day you see the lion is always running. He's always running. Even if the lion can catch the gazelle, lion can catch all these big mighty animals in the bush, but the lion has to run. They cannot just come. Those animals cannot just come to the lion and say, lion, eat me. The lion has to go run and hunt for them. Be like a lion, hunt every day for your life. Hunt for your life, for your family. If today you're making millions of thousands of dollars every single day, think about how your life can change, how your lifestyle will be. Imagine. Ladies and gentlemen, take action. Don't just listen and sit down. Take action. Take action. Talk to people. If you're already a member of RoyalQ, go crazy. If you have not joined RoyalQ, go and look for money and join. You don't have anything to lose here. This is not a Ponzi scheme. Your money is not invested in any platform. Your money is deposited in your Binance account, so you have nothing to be afraid of. Imagine people trading under you every day. As they are trading, you're making money. I am making money from people trading with my hobby link. I am making money from people trading with my Binance link. I am making money from people trading with my RoyalQ. I'm also having direct referral bonuses. So if I can do it, and people who have been there are also in thousands. Me, I'm just starting too, like you. I'm just starting as well. 10th of this month will make me 2 months in RoyalQ. But if within this period, all right, I'm not even impressed, but I thank God for the results. I thank God. I want to appreciate God for the little. At least He's giving me small dollar every day. Even if it is $5. If I want to invest my money in an investment company that say they are paying 2%, they will pay me $5 a day for $500 account. If I have $500 invested for them, they will tell me, if they are genuine company, they will pay me 2%, which is $5. But today I am earning more than $5 a day. It means that I have not even deposited any money. Only one time I talk to people, but I started earning. So it's like that for most people on RoyalQ. So get involved. You can do it. In our team, we will help you do it on the internet through digital marketing. All right, guys, a word is enough for the wise. Take action about this business. Change your life. I want to thank you again, once again, for coming. You have stayed up to this moment. It means that you are hungry as well. If you're not hungry, I don't think you'll be in this meeting. So it means that you're a billionaire already. If you're not a billionaire, you will not be in this meeting. So I want you to congratulate yourself and jump over your fears, jump over your excuses, do something about your life today, take action and change the world with this business of RoyalQ. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow again. Bye for now. Invite people to come here tomorrow. Let's do it together. Good night and bye for now.